Navigating abandonment process, penalties and fees explained. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the fees and penalties in the abandonment process. Abandonment is a serious issue, and it can have a lot of consequences. That's why it's important to understand what the fees and penalties are before you make a decision to abandon your property. There are a few different fees that you may have to pay if you abandon your property. These fees can vary depending on the state you live in, but some common fees include eviction fees. If you're being evicted from your property, you may have to pay for the cost of the eviction. This includes the sheriff's fees, court costs, and any other fees that are associated with the eviction process. Mortgage payments. If you have a mortgage on your property, you'll still be responsible for making your mortgage payments even if you abandon the property. If you don't make your payments, your lender may foreclose on the property and sell it to recoup their losses. Property taxes. You'll still be responsible for paying your property taxes even if you abandon the property. If you don't pay your taxes, the government may put a lien on the property and eventually foreclose on it. WA fees. If you're part of a homeowners association, you may have to pay your WA fees even if you abandon the property. If you don't pay your fees, the WA may take legal action against you. In addition to the fees, you may also face some penalties if you abandon your property. These penalties can vary depending on the state you live in, but some common penalties include credit score. Abandoning your property can damage your credit score. This can make it difficult to get a loan or rent a new apartment in the future. Legal consequences. Abandoning your property can also have legal consequences. You may be sued by your lender, your WA, or the government. You could also be charged with a criminal offense, such as trespassing or theft. Reputational damage. Abandoning your property can damage your reputation. This could make it difficult to get a job, rent an apartment, or get approved for a loan in the future. Is it ever a good idea to abandon your property? Abandonment is a serious decision, and it should never be taken lightly. There are a lot of potential consequences to abandoning your property, so it's important to weigh the pros and cons carefully before you make a decision. In general, abandonment is only a good option if you have no other choice. If you're facing foreclosure or eviction, and you can't afford to pay your mortgage or rent, then abandonment may be your only option. However, even if you're facing foreclosure or eviction, you should still explore all of your other options before you abandon your property. You may be able to get a loan modification or a rent reduction. You may also be able to negotiate a settlement with your lender or landlord. Abandonment is a serious issue, and it's important to understand the fees, penalties, and consequences before you make a decision. If you're considering abandoning your property, be sure to talk to a lawyer first to get advice on your specific situation. Thank you for watching. Disclaimer note below.